A smile makeover is really a very interesting process. Everybody wants a more beautiful smile. And a smile is important to our everyday living. When people smile, it invites whoever they're talking to into their life. It lets them feel more comfortable, more confident, and everybody looks better with a beautiful smile. So when we do a smile makeover, we evaluate every patient as an individual. So we look at how the lips are smiling, how the gums look in the smile, how the teeth look in the smile. So the alignment of the teeth, the color of the teeth, the length of the teeth, all those things play a role. And we have certain criteria that we use because we know what a beautiful smile should look like. And when we evaluate a patient and we see what they need and if we can provide that service for them, we show them exactly what their smile will look like when we're all done. And then we move forward with enhancing their smile and changing their life, really. The process is really quite simple for patients. It's more complicated for us, but we always start with photographs, before and after photographs of patients in different phases of a smile and different angles of their smile. We take impressions of the teeth so we can get models or replicas of their teeth so we know what they look like, and we can study those when the patient's not here. And really it's an evaluation of making measurements and looking at color and really understanding what the smile is all about. And the smile is more than just teeth. You know, it's the eyes and the lips and the gums, and so we make sure everything is working as a whole for a beautiful smile. You know, patients are really quite excited when we give them a new smile. You know, they don't see what's happening during the process, and we put the chair up and we show them in a mirror. It's not unusual for them to get a tear in their eye, show that big smile, and then later on down the road they come back and they tell us, you know, they got a better job, or they are just more confident with their smile, so they're happier. It really changes people's lives when you've been covering your smile up, maybe by not smiling or using your hand to cover your smile. It's really quite profound how a beautiful smile can affect your life.